Hello everyone. Today I will show you an updated guide on how to delete Axis Bank account online in 2025. Let's get started with this video. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. To begin closing your Axis Bank account online, first ensure that all dues are cleared. There should be no pending transactions or outstanding balances. Next, log in to your Axis Bank internet banking portal or mobile app using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account closure section. Look for options such as close account or account closure request. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to close. You'll then be asked to provide key details, including your account number, registered mobile number, and the reason for closing the account. Review all the information carefully, and when ready, submit the closure request. Axis Bank will process your request and send you a confirmation via email or SMS. Finally, once your account is officially closed, destroy your debit card and any remaining checkbooks to safely dispose of all banking materials.